how to block people from seeing your friends list on your Facebook. Okay, from your main page, click on the drop down arrow, go to settings, and then navigate your way to privacy. And then here, where it says how people can find and contact you, you'll see where it says who can see your friends list. Click on edit, and on the drop down window here, you can choose public, which means everyone can see it, your friends, specific friends, only me. So if you want nobody to see your friends list, you want to keep that private, you can just click on that. Or if you want to have your whole friends list, but with the exception of certain people, you can also choose that option here. But if you want to completely block it, just go on only me, and that's it. It's been updated automatically. Please do like the video, share it with those who may benefit from it, and do subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much.